Hello and thank you for watching. Today we're going to be going over the Cedar Mill Fine Firearms Clamshell Cleaning Kit. It's called a clamshell because it opens like a clamshell. Now this is a very traditional cleaning kit. This one's designed to clean everything from 22 up to 12 gauge and should include the basic essentials that most firearm owners require. So starting off, you have your handle right here. Long enough for most hunting rifles. Your tube extensions are right there. Of course, you also have a cleaning brush, which works very handy for the bolt in action, especially when you're using stronger solvents or working with a firearm that is in disrepair. Of course, your handle's a swivel handle. That way, as you pull it through the rifling, the shaft will spin, cleaning your firearm effectively. Whereas if it didn't spin, the ribs inside the rifling would cause the swabs and brushes to jump over them and you get an inconsistent and poor clean. Now you do have an adapter right here. This is for the two larger 12 gauge brass brushes. This adapts it down to the size of your pull rod and has a designated spot right here in your cleaning kit. You have your 12 gauge brush and you have your 20 gauge brush. And then here you have your smaller brushes. That one is for a 270, but will work everything from a 25 up to 31 caliber. This is your 30 caliber, which will work 30 all the way up to 35 or 357 if I recall. And then you have your 25 and your 22 caliber brushes. Top of that, you have your patch pullers right here, and of course your patches. Very similar. You have your large one right here, which is for a 20 gauge. Then you have your 410 gauge or 400 caliber. Then you have your smaller 30 caliber and 20 caliber patch pullers. You have a bunch of patches right there, and I'll have to look. Seems like there's 25 or 50 of them. 25 pieces of 3 by 1.5 inch patches. And the reason people like these as opposed to more of the modern cleaning kits is because they're traditional. They're easy to use and all of your tools have a very specific place. Also, close it up, latch it, and everything stays secure and orderly. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.